Today then?
Making a pizza.
Yay, nice one. What are you going to do first?
Put this on.
Right, who's it for?
Me.
I think you should put all that on just in case I want some. Is that your tomato base?
Yeah, I don't know a lot of it.
Well, yeah, it is a lot.
Is that enough?
I'd say so, yeah. If you smear it about now all over pizza base, it should be alright. That's it.
That's enough.
Good. What are you doing there?
Spreading it out.
What are you using?
A knife, a plastic knife.
Okay.
Because you won't hurt yourself with a metal knife.
Looking good. What are you going to put on it?
Now I'm going to put on it some
Cheese. I wonder what that was for.
for cleaning yourself.
Right.
I like a lot of cheese.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. Wow. There's plenty of that in it. Don't put too much on, Lou.
This is all 50s.
You're going to spread it about a bit. Saying that, it's your pizza. Sweet corn. Looking good. And some ham. Is that all you do? Just pile it on?
Yeah.
All of it. Right, that's looking alright. What do you do when you put all your topping on?
You cook it. Done it.
Right, nice. Well, they don't call it a pie for now. What do you do with it now then? Cook it?
Yeah, cook it, but I don't have to do it.
Are you going to get me to do that?
Yeah.
Okay then, right then. So, sort of say bye and we've been eating all the ingredients all the way through it.
Bye.
Right, okay then.
Bye.
Bye.